What's up guys, and welcome back to another unboxing / review video. Gyroor has reached out to me and asked me to review this C1 electric scooter. So shout out to Gyroor. I'm gonna be unboxing this first, putting it together. We're gonna take a look at it, then I'll charge it and we'll hit the street and talk about the specs and my opinion on this scooter. And that's it. That was pretty straightforward, pretty simple. One of the easiest unboxing I've ever had. This thing is super light with the battery as well. So we have the manual, of course, with all the information you need as far as warranty and things like that. And it comes with a few tools like hex keys, Allen keys that you may need for the installation and some extra ones. And it comes with a charger. The charger is 1.5 amp hours. All right, so as always, at this point, I'm gonna let this thing fully charge, and then we're gonna hit the street, and I'll talk about the specs and my opinion of the scooter.
All right, guys, here we are outside. The scooter is fully charged. We're gonna take it for a spin. I think they got like 4 different colors: orange, black, blue, and purple. The blue one looks really cool as well, and the black, but I'm digging this orange. But let's get on this thing and start this review. Starting procedure, super simple. Just got this on off button. You press it and you're ready to go. There are 3 modes. There's mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. So let's go to mode 1 and see what the difference in speeds between the modes are. Got my speedometer open. This is mode 1. Looks like 8 miles an hour or so is what we're getting on mode 1. The speedometer shows 9, so it's just a little bit off. Alright, so mode 2, and let's see what happens. A little bit more speed. Looks like we're hitting about 11 miles an hour. The speedometer shows 11.6, so it's closer. All right, and then let's pop it into mode 3 and see what we get. Fifteen miles an hour on mode 3, which is pretty much what they advertised. They advertised 15.5, if I'm not mistaken. Now, got my phone off, got my phone away. I'm really liking the maneuverability, drivability of this thing. Obviously, I would love more speed, but this is not that type of scooter. So we got 15 miles an hour, which will probably make your battery last a really long time. It's got such a low center of gravity, especially with these like low profile tires. It's kind of cool to like I like the maneuverability of this thing. Oh, look at this Chihuahua. What's up, buddy? I scared him. These hub motors, man, they're so quiet. It's like the true e-bike experience compared to like a mid-drive. And don't get me wrong, I love mid-drive, but hub motor is just like a different experience altogether. But yeah, maneuverability on this thing is nice. The deck that it has down here is pretty wide. I think it's 9.5 inches, so there's plenty of room. And the material on it is like sandpaper, kind of like a skateboard deck. The throttle on this thing is a half twist throttle, which I prefer personally better than the thumb throttle, let's just say. Well, yeah, this thing is cool. I've as I mentioned earlier, I never had a scooter that also has a seat, so this is kind of interesting. I think I found myself a spot right here. And let's stop real quick and talk about all of the specs. So what we got here is the Gyroor C1 electric scooter with the seat. It's got a 450 watt brushless hub motor in the rear, coupled with a 36 volt 7.5 amp hour lithium battery housed underneath the deck and that should give you a range of about 20 to 22 miles. Top speed is 15 miles an hour. It's got 12-inch tires with this really cool rim design. We have mechanical brakes front and rear with a 140 millimeter rotor. The deck, as I mentioned, is 9.5 inches wide. We got a metal storage bin. The scooter has a front headlight as well as an active brake light, which is insane. My $5,000 Suron doesn't have an active brake light, and this scooter has it. Weight limit on this thing is 265 pounds. The stem over here folds, so if you just undo this, you can fold the stem, and then it just locks into place. The seat is adjustable in height as well, and other than that, we just have our half twist throttle, digital display, and we got a bell. So those were all the specs on this thing. Let's continue riding and see what kind of experience we get from it. Cool thing about this scooter is whatever mode you had it on last is the mode that it turns on to. So if you had it on mode 2, it'll go back to mode 2. I keep it on mode 3, so it's always on mode 3 for me. That's kind of nice. It's a little touch that, you know, I really like. You're trying to race? 15 miles an hour, man. Take care, brother. That guy did not want any smoke. Alright, well, I mean, so far, I kind of dig this thing. Again, I wish it had more speed, but it is what it is. Let's see what it does on a bump. Not bad, to be honest with you. It does not have any suspension, but honestly, not the biggest, not the end of the world. Let's see another bump over here, how we do. Yeah, not bad at all. As far as like power wise, I think this thing would lift by its own. Yeah, would definitely lift by its own. That's kind of cool. I guess you can wheelie it. Can we drift it? Worst come to worst, we just bail. That is hilarious. Yeah, this thing is cool, man. Oh, dude, that is crazy. Look at our little mark right here. Yeah, the brakes aren't bad. It's a 140 millimeter rotor, but it's enough for this little thing. This thing, by the way, is super light. I think it's like 50, let's see, I think it's like 50 pounds. Super lightweight. The pickup speed is, you know, decent for what it is. For a 350 watt hub motor, it gets to speed fairly quick and maintains it. This is kind of cool. And yeah, if this is something you guys are interested in, I'll definitely have all the links in the description so you guys can check it out. Check out Gyroor. They got a bunch of different products as well. But that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you very, very much for watching. I appreciate you. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.